Welcome to Tai Chi for Beginners. Today we'll begin standing with the feet shoulder width apart, getting as tall as you can, and then soften slightly. You can soften the waist, soften the neck and shoulders, soften the hips and knees. And then begin to turn from your waist and your hips, making two loose fists, knocking on the lower abdomen and the lower back. We call this one knocking on the door of life. You don't have to turn very far. Just a slight rotation, gently rotating. So the door of life is an acupressure point on the lower back. When we knock on this point, it stimulates the energy throughout the body. This also helps to release tension from the neck and shoulders. So imagine that your arms are empty coat sleeves, moving from your center. Your torso guides the movement. All right, and then begin to slow it down. And then coming back to center, take a moment to feel the sensations. And then with both hands together, we'll sync the chi. So as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as you gather in the energy. Bring it into the heart and then send it down towards the earth. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Syncing the chi, the life force energy, the source of our power and strength. One more time, breathing in. Breathing out. This time the arms float up in front to about shoulder height. Then the arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. It's like your arms are resting on a wave in the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. One more time, open the door. This time the arms float all the way up overhead. And then the hands begin to drift down towards one side and then down towards the other, like we're going down the mountain trail. All right, then when you get all the way to the base of the mountain, we'll gather the energy from the earth, bring it all the way back up to the top, and then we'll go down the other way, descending the mountain. All right, and then from here, the arms circle all the way in front, hug the tree, and soften. The arms drift over to the side and down. Then the back hand over here lifts the moon into the sky. The palm faces down as it brushes across the water. The other hand lifts the moon. Palm faces down, drift across. Gentle rotation. One more time, lifting the moon. All right, now this time both hands float up, palms facing up as we gaze at the moon. Palms face down, brushing across. The hands rotate, lifting up. Brush across again, gazing at the moon. One more time. Then the hands float down, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the fingertips point up. Then gently rotate towards one side, one hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Coming back to center, rotating the other way, making the tiger claws. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the tiger claw. This time the hands keep going all the way up overhead, then they spiral out and away. The upward spirals. Breathing in, breathing out, opening the shoulders and the chest, creating space in the spine. One more time, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms floating up and over, fingertips point down, coming down the center, the hands spiral out and away, the downward spirals. Softening down and then opening. One more time, the downward spirals. And then circle the hands in front, hug the tree, shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in, and then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in as you shift back, and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face up. Then cross the wrists as you come forward. The hands separate, spiraling out and away. Then scooping under, cross the wrists, they open. Then coming back in. We call this crossing wrists. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. Crossing wrists. Very nice. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight as you step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. No rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? Just moving mindfully. Tuning into the body. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time, draw the hands in, palms face up. Then cross the wrists as you come forward. The hands separate, spiraling out and away, scooping under, crossing wrists, and then separate. Breathing in as you open, breathing out one more time, crossing wrists. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down. And then just drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice, gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front, like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. This time, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, the other hand in front of the heart. Playing the peepa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come right out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the peepa, the Chinese guitar. And then step back in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down. And then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, and then giving it back to the sky above. Harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and the mind. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, harmonizing yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Then step out to the side, and as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand floats down, and circle it around again. We call this ward off, expanding and lifting. One more time, breathing in, breathe out. This time the bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, and then circle it around again, rolling back. Shifting the weight, going with the flow. One more time. Roll back, and then this time toss it away. The arms float out to the side, then the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, then shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away, the hand folds in, press forward. One more time, we call this one the press. And then release, the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then sit back and open, wipe across the horizon. Then take your time as you step in, catch the moon, step out to the other side, and as you step out, the bottom arm comes up, the other hand comes down. Circle it around again, ward off. All right, one more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. Can we receive as gracefully as we give? And then this time, we'll toss it away. The hands float out to the side, then the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away, the hand folds in, press forward. One more time, the press. And the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then sit back and open. We'll do each movement one time. It's called grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon. Step out, ward off. And then roll back. Toss away. Fold it in. Press. Release. Draw in and push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon. Step out, ward off. Roll back. Toss away and press. Release. Draw in and push. Sit back. This time hug the tree, bring it to center. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. Then the arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird we call the crane. And you can keep your foot down or you can lift it up, breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms can reach up and over just as much as you can comfortably. And then stepping down, other side, the crane. Just the arms at first, breathing in, breathing out. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. Then the arms can float up and over. And then stepping down. Then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the palms face up as we gather the seeds. Then we'll plant the seeds into the earth. The hands come down the center as you soften down, the hands brush out to the sides. Coming back up the center to gather some more seeds, and then planting them into the earth. Breathing in, breathing out, or taking a few breaths if you need to. Take as many breaths as you need. One more time, planting seeds. And then circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer, and then from here the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other, they float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up, breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go? As we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the fountain. This time the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating focus and clarity, calming the heart and mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, open the heart, rising up, soften down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands can come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently, bamboo in the wind. It's feeling the sensations in the body that arise. Feel the body breathing all by itself. You don't have to do a thing. Just being here is enough. And And then if you like, you can bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can float down, and just taking a moment to notice how you feel. And then if you like, you can have a seat or you can remain standing as we finish with your poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called Balance and Peace. Through mindful movements, calm appears, a dance of balance, releasing fears. With every motion, worries cease. In Tai Chi's grace, we find our peace. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our free 5-day beginner Tai Chi challenge. So just click the first link in the video description below to sign up for free, and I'll send you all the details and the challenge calendar.